Okay, so good morning everyone. Today we're with this very handsome 29-year-old. He's actually an aspiring actor model from Vancouver. This is his second surgery now. The first surgery, we corrected his frontal hairline, which looks great. And also genetically, he had a very sparse beard. So he wanted that kind of gruff look, where he has more of a chiseled jawline and a denser beard area. So we actually recreated that very, very well on the first surgery. And what we're going to be doing today is he wants it slightly thicker, and he also wants the beard to be extended further down. So what we're going to do is we're going to work on the right side. We're going to come down a little bit more into his mandibular area. We're going to thicken up the mustache as well. And then on the other side, we'll show you how the results look on the from the first surgery, which I think they look splendid, very natural, not too dense, not too sparse, just right. But now he wants the beard to go further down into areas that we haven't touched last time. So we'll do that today. Quite a small surgery. We're doing the FUE approach again. Very important with the beard is that we take the very fine grafts. You don't want to use multiple follicular units like 2s, 3s, 4s. You want to take 1s, 2s max. And also the punch size is going to be very microscopic. We're going to be using a 0.7 today, which is the external diameter. The internal diameter is about 0.6. So very, very, very small and fine grafts, and that way we get the nice granular detail that we need in a beard. So yeah, we invite you to come with us and we can follow this chap's journey along. The last surgery, we recreated everything from here down to here. This was all of our work. It looks really, really nice, very natural. And now, so this was all done during the last surgery, grew in very well. He's happy with it. I'm not going to densify it. It looks just right for him. And then what we're going to do this time is we're going to make the angle of the mandible a little bit more pronounced. We're going to come down a little bit more inferiorly down to here. I'm not going to waste too much on the inferior side here, just submentally, because you don't really see these, and actually a lot of the time we shave this anyway when we have a nice cut. So I'm going to actually concentrate on this area here where it's A, and then we'll also augment it down to here. We are going to leave a little gap here because I think it looks quite nice if he wants to have a goatee or something else in the meantime. The mustache area, as you know, has grown very, very well, so that's not necessary. But yeah, look, really, really nice results. Just going to finish off our work now, and then we'll show you an interim picture. Just remember that with a beard surgery, you will have quite profound facial edema for about 5 days. You look like a little chipmunk, but that's just the way the cookie crumbles.